What's going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. Y'all see that? We're gonna do something a little bit different today. Sure to do a ride along of an Audi A3. It's gonna be real interesting, so y'all stay tuned. All right, everybody, I'm gonna introduce you to one of my buddies. This is Stratton Johnson.
Yep.
This is his Audi A3. Stratton, I'm gonna ask you a few questions. What got you in the Audi? I mean, why choose Audi? Like, why you like German cars?
Well, really, so when I went car shopping, I was looking for a Mopar. I was trying to buy a Charger. I couldn't find one in my price range, believe it or not.
Golly, it's like they went up in the cost lately.
Exactly. And I found this. It was in my price range. Went and looked at it. Bro, I would never turn back.
And I don't blame you. Sometimes, you know, you gotta go outside the box.
Yep.
And, you know, look outside your rim of type of vehicles that you would like or you might be interested. But come to find out, this was it.
Yeah, this is perfect for me.
Awesome.
Daily this.
Awesome. And that right there, that's an awesome daily driver, and I can tell. Yep. Hey, Stratton, let me ask you, you done any modification to your engine other than I see this cold air intake?
So I got the intake. I got a catless downpipe. It's got a 3-inch catback exhaust. Pretty much straight pipe. Yep, exactly. And then it's got a stage 2 tune by EQT.
Okay, so
that's just a 93 tune basically.
So may I ask what kind of power you putting out of it right now?
So it puts a little over 300 to the wheel.
Ooh, all-wheel drive.
200 pounds.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm pretty sure this thing is really and moves out.
It does.
Oh yeah. We ain't playing out here. And I like your carbon fiber spoiler, man. There's something nice about I just like carbon fiber, man. Gives it that pristine look on a performance vehicle.
And on a white vehicle, it looks amazing.
Oh yeah, it looks awesome. All right, Stratton, I appreciate you giving me a ride in your A3 today, man. I mean, I'm no strangers to Audis or German cars, but this one is a nice example. This ain't even an A4 or the S3 or S4 high performance model, and it still get the job done. I mean, it's just a nice place to be. Little, you know, smaller 4-door sedan.
Yep.
You know, turbocharged. I think the engine you got, it's a 2-liter, right? It's a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder. Yep. Okay. But just the way you got it set up, and then of course hearing the exhaust and everything, it just makes the right sounds.
It does, yep.
That's what's nice about it. Okay, it gets up and go.
A little bit, yeah.
Look, like I said, a little peppy, you know, but it gets the job done.
Yes, it does.
Hey, Stratton, I appreciate the ride along today, man. That was an interesting ride. You know, this Audi, it's very surprising how quick it is out of a turbocharged 4-cylinder being all-wheel drive. But absolutely, man, this car is fantastic. But all right, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo.